This isn't just another housing slowdown. This could be the biggest real estate shift of our generation. And while middle class families are still buying, the wealthy are quietly exiting. Why are the richest people in the world selling their homes right now? What do they know that most people don't? And more importantly, what should you do before 2027 hits? The American dream was built on one idea: affordable homes. But that dream is being crushed by something invisible. Interest rates, mortgage rates have surged to levels we haven't seen in decades, and every small increase makes homes dramatically more expensive. A $300,000 home today doesn't cost $300,000 anymore. It can cost nearly double over time. That's the silent killer of affordability. And buyers, they're disappearing. Demand is collapsing right in front of us. And when demand falls, prices fall. Now here's where things get serious. The wealthy aren't waiting for the crash. They're preparing for it. And preparation means one thing: selling at the top. Luxury real estate listings are quietly increasing. High-end homes are staying longer on the market. Price cuts are becoming more common. That's not a healthy market signal. It's a warning sign. And smart money always moves first. So where is the money going? It's not disappearing. It's shifting from concrete assets to liquid assets. Assets that are fast, flexible, and safe. One of the biggest winners? Silver. Because when uncertainty rises, hard assets shine. And real estate, it becomes a liability, especially when debt is expensive. Financial educator Robert Kiyosaki has been sounding the alarm. He believes this could be the biggest real estate crash in history, bigger than 2008. Because this time, the problem is deeper. Debt levels are higher, interest rates are higher, and affordability is at record lows. That's a dangerous combination, and history shows bubbles always burst. The only question is when. Now, let's talk about you. If you own a home, this matters. Your home equity could be at risk, especially if prices start falling, because equity isn't real until you protect it. Step 1: understand your exposure. How much of your wealth is tied to real estate? If it's too high, you're vulnerable. Step 2: reduce risk. That doesn't mean panic. Selling. It means smart positioning. Step 3: consider liquidity. Cash gives you flexibility, and flexibility means survival. Step 4: diversify into hard assets. So what happens next? If rates stay high, pressure builds. If buyers disappear, prices fall. If prices fall, panic begins. And panic creates opportunity. This isn't fear. This is strategy. The wealthy aren't emotional. They're calculated. They move early. And they protect capital. First, the question isn't whether the market will shift. It's whether you'll be ready when it does. Because by the time headlines confirm it will already be too late. So watch closely, think strategically, and act wisely, because the biggest wealth transfer already underway. And now, while most people are still debating whether to buy, the smart money is already repositioning. They're not guessing. They're reading the signals hidden in plain sight, like rising inventory in once untouchable neighborhoods, or sudden price cuts in million-dollar homes. These aren't coincidences. They're early cracks in the system, and cracks always spread. But here's the opportunity most people miss. Every crash creates a new class of winners. The question is, will you be one of them? Because those who prepare don't panic. They position themselves before the storm hits. They hold liquidity when others hold liabilities, and when prices collapse, they buy back stronger. That's how wealth is transferred, not by luck, but by timing. and right now. Timing is everything. So don't just watch this shift. Understand it, because the next 12-18 months could define your financial future. This content is for educational purposes only. It is not professional financial advice. Investing involves risk. Always do your own research.